YouTube.
Well, we're started because
Hey, we're back. I finished the crab dip. I'm sorry that it cut off. I put it on pause and it just cut off, so it's done. Me and my daughter gonna do this quick mukbang. If you say this is my first one, so I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. I just gotta move my camera down. Ooh, this is hot. So this is what it looks like. You'll see when we dip into it. I don't want to touch this with my hand. Look at that. Yes. So I'm going to bring my camera back up. To our faces. And this is the chips that we are doing. I get mine from Sprouts. Also, my drink is a fruit smoothie with some peach juice poured in the cup first and the fruit smoothie poured over it. I do have videos for my fruit smoothies, so you could just go take a look to see what I do. You could do it with or without protein. This is without. The glass straw is from Glass Dharma.
Stop talking about the smoothie.
Okay.
I want to try this dip.
So let's try this dip. It's hot.
Oh, okay. I love crab meat.
Oh my god, this is so good.
I almost double dipped. I won't do that. You put a lot on yours.
I just put a little bit.
She's called that a little bit and a little bit.
You're supposed to fill up the whole cracker, don't you?
You don't want to burn your mouth, though.
That's why I told you it's hot. You gotta blow it. I can't stand burning my mouth. Very good. Ryan, what do you think?
Good.
We give it a thumbs up. Roy, you wanna come try?
Sure. That's a little bit.
I don't even know how to put on that little tiny piece that you got. This is good.
Tell them where you got the crab meat from.
I already did that. I got it from Sprouts, but you could pick up from any store that sells jumbo lump crab meat. This fruit smoothie is delicious. Look at that. Look at the peach juice that just mixes in. Go check out my mocktail cocktail videos and go check out my fruit smoothie video with protein. Yeah, no, I ain't gonna steer you wrong. We greedy over here, especially her. Look at that. I don't have a microphone, so I can't be crunching like y'all like to hear when y'all see people doing mukbangs and eating and stuff.
Like ASMR, whatever it's called.
Y'all like to hear the crunching and all that.
You gotta get close. You gotta get. Here's how you do it. Hear that?
She's so silly. Yeah, she could do it. She could do the big crunch.
Hey.
Yeah, so we'll come back as a family and do these little mukbangs. I'll make sure to do.
I need one to happen on Friday.
To do some for that she can eat because she don't eat meat. She only eats fish.
Which is why this is perfect.
So we eat meat. I do, and the rest of my family do anyways. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Y'all heard that crunch? So that's it for our mukbang. We gotta get out of here. Try this lump crab cake dip. You will love it. So will your family. So will your friends. And with that being said, give me that thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Don't forget the thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the box below. And don't forget to check out my fruit smoothie recipe and also my mocktail cocktail recipes as well. And these.
I already know someone's going to comment about my hair. Thank you.